From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello and happy Tuesday. My name is Schmalenberger here with your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast. Take a look behind me right now at the Arboretum at the Beaver Stadium. Hello and happy Tuesday. My name is student meteorologist Schmalenberger here with your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast. Take a look behind me right now at Beaver Stadium. Pretty mild conditions, mostly overcast skies that we have been seeing. Right now, 41 degrees. It does feel like 38 though. We do have a little bit of wind chill, but not as much as yesterday as we had seen. Only around 4 to 5 miles per hour. Visibility still 10 miles despite some of those clouds. And temperatures are pretty uniform across the rest of the Commonwealth as well, right? We got 41 State College, Center County, 36 in Pittsburgh, a little bit chillier as we get more to the western side of the state compared to the 46 or so and 43 out in Philadelphia and Harrisburg. Feels like, though, are definitely a little bit cooler as we look more so on the eastern portion, more so half to the eastern portion of the state. We're going 38 in State College, 39 in Harrisburg, and only 41 down in Philadelphia. Across the rest of the country, though, we are seeing, again, this very defined line cutting it perfectly in half between our 43s, our 49s, and our 66 and 69 in Tulsa and Memphis, all the way down in Corpus Christi around 81 degrees in terms of our feels like. Now, when we look at satellite right now, we have been seeing pretty clear skies so far, more so within half of the state, more to the eastern portion. We are seeing a little bit of this lake effect snow start to transition from regular rain into some of that wintry mix, kind of ugly-ish snow mix as we're starting to see as it comes across just off of there. Really nice line defining right when it starts to transition into some of that snow. That's going to continue a little bit more so into the night, where we might be seeing a couple of pop-up storms just outside of Pittsburgh and touching just the point of State College before eventually transitioning into a wintry mix as we go early on into next morning. This will start to move on out though. We'll get some cloudy skies, some clearings as well. Nothing too terrible. Not going to be overcast like today completely was as well. Now, beyond this, we have this trough right here that was hovering above State College that'll eventually head on out, and it'll be pretty nice for the next few days or so. However, we do start to see this lower pressure system start to make its way slowly across the country, eventually hitting just a little bit of Pennsylvania early Saturday morning. Well, what does this mean in terms of radar, right? Well, really nothing too terrible to say the least. Again, we see this rain band start to make its way up, just touching the southern tip of the Commonwealth itself. Maybe a little bit below Philadelphia, could possibly get a few showers. Besides that, really nothing too terrible. That'll eventually dispel out into the Atlantic, where we'll just be seeing some partly cloudy skies after. As of today, though, 42 degrees. We did have some possible morning showers, but it will be more so later on that we could be seeing, especially tonight, some of those showers. Winds are a lot calmer, around 5 miles per hour from the southwest. And again, tonight, as I mentioned, we will be possibly seeing some of more of those showers and even a wintry mix as we get later on into the evening. Winds are going to be more so on the calm side, which will be very nice. Nothing too gusty or whatnot like we've seen in the past couple weeks. As of tomorrow, 44 degrees, winds from the north around 4 miles per hour, and mostly cloudy conditions as much of those systems move on out. Now, in terms of our 7-day, well, it's pretty cloudy. That's really the only thing we're getting. We're starting to really get into the November weather type for Center County, or really Pennsylvania in itself, right? We're seeing some mostly cloudy conditions again Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, cloudy and cloudy. 52 degrees, really nothing too warm, but not too chilly just yet, right? Our lows are definitely dropping down though. 32 on Wednesday, 37 Friday, 35 on Saturday, and 34 on Monday. We will be seeing again some of those showers start to come through Saturday morning, eventually leading to some partly cloudy skies for both Sunday and Monday, the start of the work week. That's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.